So now that we're back, we're just gonna install our Active Directory domain services. And again, if you guys have any need more information on this Active Directory domain services, there's a lot of tutorials, networking tutorials online that you could look into if you want more in-depth knowledge of this. So we're gonna go through all the default settings and just click install. So now it's successfully installed. I'm gonna close this window. So now that's complete, we're gonna open our server manager, which is at the bottom left of your screen, right next to the start button. Then we're gonna refresh our server manager. We're just gonna change this to 1 minute. So we're just gonna scroll to the bottom of our server manager and click on Active Directory Domain Services. The next thing that we want to do is to run the Active Directory Domain Service installation wizard. So we're gonna click next. Click where it says create a new domain in a new forest. We're gonna call it weblab.local. Then click next. Go to the top where it says forest functional level. Then we're gonna click on Windows Server 2008 because that's the one that we're using. Then we're just gonna click next. Next. Then where it says do you want to continue, we're just gonna click yes. Now for the Active Directory domain admin password, you're gonna have to give it a password that you can remember or write it down. I'm just gonna give it an easy password like 123 or 12345 or something like that, because this machine won't be going out on the network because it's a host only machine. I've configured the network card to be on host only, so it won't be going out on the network. So we could give it a easy password that we can all remember. Then we're just gonna wait for it to install. Then click where it says reboot on completion. So when it completes the installation, it will reboot automatically. So now it's rebooting. We'll just wait for it to come up. So it's taking some time to get back up. So once it gets up, then we should be seeing our Active Directory domain name that we gave our domain. So if you can see here where it says weblab, that's our domain that we created earlier with our ADDS server. So clearly our ADDS server is working.